Hey everybody, sorry it's been such a long time. So I decided to change up this thing here. I put the Coop on top of the chicken tractor and put it in the back over there, try to make things different. But I think I failed. So it's not working out the way I wanted it to. The floor is falling out of it, and just for me, it's just harder to get to. And one of the reasons why I've been taking so long to get back to you guys is I've been working a lot more, and it's just been getting harder for me to do things because my back has been in a lot of pain lately. So I'm just trying to just deal with that and just trying to get through. But I'm going to do my best to try to get back to some more videos as much as I can. I'm going to try to do at least once a week, hopefully more. I'm trying to do more things. But I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this same thing about the Coop, but I'm going to redo it. I am going to take this apart, and I've got an idea. At least for the first one, I'm going to use most of it. Hopefully the next time here, I'm actually going to take it apart and start building at least the frame part of it. I might not be able to put it all together just yet, but got an idea. I'm trying to throw something together for you guys. Try to make it a little bigger, give them some more room, and ultimately, I want to make a hard stick frame run for them, because this is just those metal cheapy tubings from Amazon. I want to make one that's more firm and it's going to be able to not move around so much, and I'm hopefully going to be able to get rid of this tarp situation. I'm going to do a clear tarp, and it's going to be like more fixed to the unit itself, so that they can still see through it. It'll still keep them warm. And I'm gonna hopefully make my own frame with door and everything. And I might actually make it small at first. I might actually make it like somewhere like right here first, just to get it built. And then when I can get some more wood, and I'll make it longer and longer as well. And that's what I'm gonna do so far. So sorry for the been a while, guys, but it's just been tough for me the last few weeks. So, but like I said, I'm gonna try to do better for you guys and keep on going. And I hope to see you soon. And I will update you as soon as possible. Actually, I might actually do it tomorrow. So, if you can, you guys, please like and subscribe, comment, and all that stuff helps me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.